Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 362, effective until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties: in Ohio, Ashland, Carroll, Columbiana, Henry, Long Island, Medina, Portage, Stark, Summit, Trumbull, Tuscaloosa, and Avon, to the low. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch
becoming west in the afternoon. Chance of rain 70%. Thursday night, showers and thunderstorms likely. Humid with lows in the upper 60s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of rain 70%. Friday, mostly cloudy with the chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 70s. Chance of rain 40%.
For internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 362 has been issued from 3:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday for the following counties: in Ohio, Ashland, Carroll, Columbiana, Long Island, Portage, Stark, Summit, Trumbull, Tuscaloosa, and Wayne, and Avon, to the low. Urgent weather message. For the following counties: in Ohio, Ashtabula, Cuyahoga, Erie, Geauga, Huron, Lake, Lorain, Medina, Portage, and Summit, and the following marine locations: Avon Point to Conneaut, including Lake Erie beyond 5 miles from shore. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 362, effective until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties: in Ohio, Ashtabula, Cuyahoga, Erie, Geauga, Huron, Lake, Lorain, Medina, Portage, and Summit, and the following marine locations: Avon Point to Conneaut, including Lake Erie beyond 5 miles from shore. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 362 has been issued from 3:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday for the following counties: in Ohio, Ashtabula, Cuyahoga, Erie, Geauga, Huron, Lake, Lorain, Medina, Portage, and Summit, and the following marine locations: Avon Point to Conneaut, including Lake Erie beyond 5 miles from shore. Locations impacted include Strasburg, Bolivar. This is a dangerous storm. Move into a
The forecast for Cleveland and vicinity.
Please report severe weather.
What the hell?
412-262-198. Posted to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page or using Twitter or Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Tuscaloosa County, Ohio. An urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cuyahoga County until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was located near West Lake and moving east at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Strongsville, Cleveland, West Lake, Lakewood, Tacoma, North Royalton, Cleveland Heights. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Cuyahoga County, Ohio. This storm was located near Barberton and moving east at 30 miles per hour.
What the hell? Jesus Christ.
In Ohio, Portage, Stark, and Summit, an urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Portage County, northern Stark County, southern Summit County until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Barberton and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Ravenna, Margaret, North Canton, Talmadge, Hartsville, Kent, Alliance. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Portage, Stark, and Summit.
The forecast for Cleveland and vicinity. Tonight, showers
Jesus
and
Christ, that was a
likely.
lot of
Humid with
alerts. Jeez, that was... I did not expect that.